are the predefined methods, right? These are the predefined methods are there. Okay, so fine now guys, these all are all all comes what? All comes under what? Under predefined, right? Predefined only, right? These are the predefined only. Using we are performing the operation now. What is that? Save, update, delete, all operation we just now seen that. Okay, till now the in the sessions now. Okay, so what is that? What is that? From here onward we will work on what is that? Custom query, right? Query data type. Okay, so we will perform on this area operation, right? So let's move on and we will see that. Okay, custom, how we can perform it. So I want to write what is that? What is the our need now, guys? What is the our need now? So I want what is that? I want what is that? Want to write, right? I want to write custom query, right? Query. I want to write what? Custom query. So for that, Spring people, right? Spring people is given what? Spring Boot people is given what? @ query annotation. Query, what is that? Query annotation. Using this annotation, what we can do it now? What we can do it now? This annotation support. What is that? Supports. This annotation supports what? Supports both, guys. Okay, both what? Both select and what is that? Select and what? Non-select query, right? Non-select query. Both what? Select and non-select query. Like non-select query is what? Update, update, delete, update and what? Delete, right? Update and what? Delete. Okay, so fine now guys, using what is that? @ query annotation, what we can do it now? We can perform both operation now. Okay, and what is that? It support, guys. Okay, it support data projection, right? Data projection, right? Like what is that? Projection means what? Specific column. Specific what? Column select, right? It will select. Okay, it will what is that? Specific column projection. It will support what is that? Projection. We will see that each and everything, whatever theory I'm giving now, guys. Okay, everything I will clarify in the future now. Okay, so fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next one is what? It support both SQL. This query annotation it support, guys. Okay, it support both what? Both SQL means what is that? Native query SQL, and what is that? HQL or JPQL, right? JPQL. Okay, query. Okay, so now fine, now we can even pass parameter also, right? And the dynamically question mark positional parameter we seen that, right? So using, right, using what is that? We can even pass. Okay, even pass what? Parameters. Okay, parameters nothing but what? Data, right? Parameters nothing but data at what? Runtime. Data at what? Runtime, guys. Okay, good, very good. Now okay, so next one is what? What we can now? We can implement join. We know that, right? In the database, right? We can what? We can implement joins, right? We can implement joins, like what is that? Inner join. After then what is that? Left join. What is that? Left join. After then what is that? Etc etc, right? Etc. Okay, fine now. Okay, so next one is what? We can procedure calls is there, right? In the database we can what is that? Procedure calls also, right? procedures calls also we can implement using what is that @query annotation. What kind of operation we can do it now? This is the A, and another one is what now? Another one is what? B, right? B. Okay, so let's see that find by, what is that? Find by method. Find by methods is there, right? Using this one, right? Using this one, what we are seeing that, right? It support, right? It support only, what is that? Only select operation. It support only what? Select operation. Another one is no need to write what? No need of writing. No need of writing. What is that? No need of writing. Writing, what is that? Any query. Okay. No need to write any query, like any query. Just what we will do now, just define this method. Just define this method. This is the abstract method. This is what? Abstract method. Okay. Okay. This method only convert, what is that? Internally all. What is that? Query internally in what? Select operation. This is the simple query. Internally it will use it. Okay. So but what is that? What is the main purpose of this one, guys? Now what is the main purpose to using, what is that? So just think about that. Okay, so what we will do now, if we write, what is that? Select query, right? If we are writing the query, so database dependent. So this, right? If we are using the MySQL database query, what is that? MySQL database, what is that? Syntax is different, and Oracle database syntax is different, right? So if we are performing, right? If we are performing, what will happen now? So maybe may in the future, right? 1 minute, I will open another application now, guys. Okay, I will, because previous application whatever we completed now, based on that we will work on that. Spring Boot data JPA 2. Okay, now I'm opening the model class. I need to see the model class now, guys. Okay, employees there, right? Yeah, good. That's enough. Okay, so I'm not going to create one more application, guys. We will perform the operation in this application only, right? We will perform the operation in this application only. Okay, we will learn the concept only. Okay, and based on that, how the data is storing in the database, right? So SQL and HQL, right? Hibernate query, right? HQL is what? HQL is what, guys? HQL is what? Hibernate, right? Hibernate query. Hibernate query. And what is that? SQL. SQL is, what is that? Structure, right? Structure query. Query language, right? Structure query language, right? Means what is that? SQL is a database dependent now, guys. Okay, but HQL is a not database dependent. HQL is what? HQL is a database dependent. Means if we are writing the query, based on that, what we have need to write, what we have need to write, what based on that, what is that? MySQL syntaxes. Based on that, what if we are performing the operation in what? Database. So we have need to write, what is that? We have need to write the syntax based on that, what, guys? Based on that MySQL, right? So but if we are writing, what is that? HQL, then what will happen now? We have need to write, what is that? Based on that, what? Based on that, what? Database dependent, right? With database independent. If we are using if we are writing the query based on that, what? Database, right? HQL, then what it will become? Database independent. This is the interview questions also now, guys. Okay, this one is what? Interview question also now. Okay, so fine. Now let's move on and we will see that. Okay, what we will do now, next one is what? Okay, me or if just think about that, what is that? Just if we are writing the right, just think about that. Based on that, if we are writing the SQL query, right? HQL query. So just think about database, DB, database one is there, right? Database, what is that? Database one is there, right? The database one is there. If the query is working, if the query is working in database, fine, right? Fine. Okay. So working fine. Okay. So what is that? Just define SQL query. If we are defining SQL query, right? I'm talking about that guys, SQL query, not HQL query, right? HQL query. If we are writing the, what is that, database, right? Database, in the database, based on that database one, we are writing the HQL query, right? So what will happen now if in the future, if we are changing the database, right? So may or may not, right? May or may not work, right? May or may not, WORK, work. Okay. Work for, what is that, for DB2. DB, what is that? DB2. Okay. DB2. DB1 query may or may not work, because the, what is that, just think about that. This is the database. First database is what? MySQL, right? And the second one we are choosing, what is that? Oracle. Okay. So in the database, what is that? MySQL, what is that? Integer number is there, but here what is that? Yeah, int is there. In the MySQL, int is there, and what is that? My Oracle, number is there, right? Number is there. Okay. So the syntax is different or not, guys? So may or may not work. Okay. Our application will go to fail now. Okay. Our application, because data type syntax are different. Okay. So for that, to keeping these things in the mind, what is that? Hibernate people given, what is that? HQL.
हाँ the मीठा है कि कम मीठा है दे
JPQL is the specification, guys, and what is that? HQL is an implementation, right? Just don't worry about that. Okay.
आई था ना थोड़ा सा आँखें मुंह धो ले
Sunil. Okay. So okay. If we are writing, right, if we are writing the database, what is that? Independence, using what is that? HQL, if we are writing the query, right? So it will become, what is that? Database independent. Database what? Independent. Okay. So what is that? We use, what is that? We can use internally dialect only. Dialect. Okay. So dialect will convert, what is that? HQL and JPQL to SQL at a runtime, guys. Okay. So if we go different database, just what is that? Modifying, what is that? Dialect, right? Dialect only, right? So but what is that? Whenever we are performing, what is that? Custom query. Think about that. If we are performing, what is that? Custom query, then what will happen now? What will happen now? So what is that? Our HQL, we will write the common HQL logic, right? And we can perform, what is that? Just by changing the dialect only, what will happen now? Our query will work. But if we are writing, what is that? Based on the database, right? Based on the database, if we are writing the query, if we are in the future, if we are changing the database, right? If we are changing the database, but by changing the dialect also not work, because that query is the database dependent. Because of that, if we are change the dialect also, then our query will not work now. Okay. Then still our query will not work. So for that, so just you want to see the diagrammatically representation. Now see this. Just think about that. This is the one database, right? This is the another database is there. This is the another database is there, right? So just think about that. This is the Oracle database is there, and this one is what? MySQL database is there, and this one is what? Sybase. This is the Sybase database is there. If we are writing the query, right, what will happen now? If we are writing the query here, see this. Here the query is there, right? Here we are writing the HQL query is there, na? Okay, good. So if we are writing the HQL query, see this HQL query, right? If we are writing the HQL query, so just what we have need to do now, just we will, if we are performing the our query based on that Oracle database, what will we will change it now, guys? Just what we will change it now? Just we will change now. Just we will change the Oracle dialect.
We have written SQL.
Oh, good. I will change it. Sorry for that. Okay. Oracle, what is that? Oracle dialect, right? So Oracle dialect responsibility is what now, guys? Oracle dialect responsibility is what? to taking the query, SQL query, and what to converting based on that Oracle database, right? Then here what will happen? Our SQL query will convert in SQL, right? SQL. Okay, so good. Now fine, Sudhir.
Yes, Ravi, fine.
Okay, so same like, okay, so same like here what will happen now again, if we are changing in the future, right? If we are changing in the future the database again, what will happen now? Just think about that. If we want to change our database as what? MySQL. So here what we will do now? MySQL dialect we will take, and what our MySQL dialect will generate the query based on that. What is that? MySQL. Generate the query based on that. What now, guys? MySQL only, right? Good. So fine now. Okay, so same like what is that? Just we are writing the common based on that HQL. What is that? Based on the HQL query. And what will happen now? Just by changing our dialect only, right? By changing our dialect, what will happen now, guys? What will happen now? Our database, based on that our database query will generate, right? Based on that our database, what will happen now? Query will generate. Just think about a Sybase dialect, right? Sybase dialect. Okay, good. So here what will happen now? SQL. Okay, SQL. Okay, will generate. Okay, so just what we will do now? We will write the HQL query. But just think about that. If we are writing the SQL query based on that Oracle database, if we change the dialect, it will work now, guys? Come on, it will work if we write the SQL query.
No, not work.
Not one.
Because why? Because we are writing the code based on that Oracle database. But
Oracle, MySQL, and Sybase.
what? MySQL syntax is what now, guys? Different now.
Different.
Okay, so again, okay, just think about that. We are writing the SQL query based on that what? Based on that dialect. So in the future, we are going to use our application based on the Sybase. It will work. Come on, yaar.
No, not happening.
Not work.
Not work, because MySQL database, what is that? Syntax is different, and a Sybase database is syntax is different now. So
Yes,
if we write, what is that? So to think, just think about that. If we write the HQL query, right? HQL query. So what will happen? Just what we will do now in the future, right? In the future, just we will change the dialect, and what is that? Based on that dialect, what will happen now? Our database, based on that database query will generate. So that is good. Yes, writing SQL query is good now.
SQL is good.
Everyone.
SQL is good.
Yes, Satish, I'm listening. Others also I need to respond. Okay, everyone responded now.
HQL.
Good. SQL is good now. Okay. So to performing in the JPA, right? In the data JPA, to performing HQL query. So what is the annotation is there now, guys? @query, right? @query. So just think about that. I'm going to write syntaxes now, guys. Okay, I'm going to write it. Syntaxes is now. Okay, guys. See this, guys. Don't show laziness, guys. Okay, don't show laziness. But see this. I'm showing anywhere. I'm tired. I'm lazy, and all those things. Just in my voice, what you people is recognizing now. Okay, but still my voice is clear only. I think, in my point of view, I'm
Yes,
trying.
yes. Yes, clear.
So, okay, so don't become lazy now. Okay. So enjoy it. Whatever your profession is there, in that profession, just enjoy it, guys. Okay, until unless if you not enjoy, right, then life is what? Then also life is not good. See, if we are earning the money, what is the use if we are not happy? Correct or not? So the situation is whatever your situation is there, be happy. That's it, nothing more than else. Okay. take care today. Tomorrow, if you are taking care today with the proper good way, right? Tomorrow automatically, tomorrow don't worry about that. Tomorrow will take care yourself only. Okay, guys. So just think about that whenever you are waking up morning, right? Just think about that how I will utilize my whole day today, and what is I'm learning new things in the today, right? So like this kind of attitude make in the life, guys. Okay. So okay, no problem, guys. Okay, everything will comes based on that experience only, right? Everyone life is a different only, right? Who is the seeing the life in which way, that is the also matter, in the life. Okay, so okay, good. So let's move on and we will see that. Okay, guys, so how we can write the HQL query now? How we can write the HQL query now? See this. Okay, see this. Okay, HQL query, right? I'm writing the HQL query. Okay, so HQL query, how we will write table name, right? What is that? Table name replace with what is that? Replace with what? Class name, guys. Okay, class name. Okay, replace with what? Class name. And another one is what? Column name, right? Column name replace with what? Replace with what? Variable name, right? Okay, variable what? Name. Okay, so now, guys, okay, so just I'm writing one SQL query. Okay, and then what we will do now, we will convert that SQL query, right? That SQL query in HQL query. Okay, then you people will get what? Clear picture now, guys. Okay, then you people will get what? Clear picture. So shall I write one SQL query now, guys? Come on. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, very good. So just think about that. I'm writing what? SQL query, right? Just think about that. What I'm writing? What is that? SQL query. Okay, this is the. So what is that? I'm writing select. What is that? EID. Okay, e name, and what is that? E name from what is that? From what is that? EMP tab, right? EMP tab where I'm writing the where the condition cell, right? cell question mark, right? This symbol is greater than or less than now, guys? This symbol
Greater
is
There is
than.
one requirement.
Greater than.
Greater
There
than
is
the
one requirement.
greater than or less than?
Greater than.
Then our requirement.
Greater than.
Good. Actually, no. Initially, I was too much confused about that. What is that greater than and less than? Okay. So now the clear picture is there, but whatever things is there, I'm sharing with you people. Okay, nothing more than else. Initially, also I'm not good. Okay, I'm that kind of person who don't know how to write the main method, and to writing the main method, I'm seeing what is that near about 10 times to write the main method notebook. Okay, so you people are too good. Okay, too good. Okay, so if I become like this person, okay, you people can do wonder in your life, man. Okay, everyone, not man, women also. Okay, everyone can do wonder. Okay. Okay, so if like me person can do anything, guys, means can do like this. Okay, things. Okay, you people can do wonder, no issues. Okay, no issue. My life is too much struggled life. Okay, I suffered a lot. Okay, just one things, I started to study after 12th standard. Okay, till 12th standard, what I study, I also don't know. Okay, so that is the my life. Okay, that kind of life I live. Okay, so okay, no problem, guys. Okay, so this is the select query, right? Select query. So in this, what will happen now? If we are writing this query using what is that? HQL, right? Using HQL. So how it will be? Just think about that. Our table is there, right? EMP ID is there, EMP name, and ESAL is there, and what is that? Class name is what? Employee is there, right? employee is there. So how we can write based on that? What is that? We will write the query, same query we will write the based on that entity class, based on that what entity class. So come here. So how we can write a SQL query? HQL. Okay. For that, what the query will be? What the query will be now, guys? Select. What is that? EMP ID is there, right? EMP ID. Okay. EMP EID is there now. This is the database table column. But here, what is that database? What is that variable? What is that
Variable.
Class attribute name.
EMP ID is there,
Variables.
right? Yes, good. EMP
Yeah,
ID.
variable
Okay.
name.
EMP ID, comma, and EMP name based on the variable now, guys. Okay. From okay. So what is that?
Employee.
Employee is there, right? But in
Employee.
which package? com.rk.employee. The full package name we will write. What is that? com.rk.emp. What is that? Employee, right? Employee. After then, what is that? Where condition is there? Na? Condition will be same only. Where condition. After then, what is that? E-cell is there. Na? Come in the what is that class name? What is that? EMP cell is there. EMP cell is there. Now EMP cell. Okay. EMP cell. Okay, fine. Now greater than, right? Greater than what? Greater
Question
than
mark.
question mark. Okay.
Question mark.
Okay, this is the what based on that database. What is that? This query we are writing, and this one is the based on that our entity model class. This is nothing but what,
Model
guys?
class.
This is nothing
Our
but what,
entity
guys?
class.
Class of
This is nothing but
Yes,
what?
entity.
HQL query. Okay.
entity.
HQL query. Okay, so fine now, guys. Okay, so let's another example. Let's see that. Okay, now I'm writing what is that? We are writing what is that? Another. See this. What is that? Select. What I'm going to write? SQL. This is the SQL query. This is what? SQL query. What I'm writing? Select star from what? Select star from what? EMP table, right?
Employee
EMP table, right? Okay, guys. So this query meaning is what now, guys? Just think about that. We are performing in the database this query. So what is the meaning of this query now? Can you tell any others people?
Selecting
Select all the data present in the employee table.
Yes. Select all record from the database, right? Select what? All record. Okay. So now, but what will happen now? HQL query. Okay. HQL query. Okay. See this. Okay. So what I'm going to do now? Select star. What is that? From what I'm going to do now? com.rk dot what is that? emp dot employee. Employee, right? Employee. Okay. So see this. Okay. What is that? Here what we are writing now, guys? Employee, right? Means what? Select. But this is the invalid. This is what? Invalid. Why? This query is what? Invalid in HQL. Anybody tell why?
Select star not there. Select star not there.
Select is not there. We are directly.
Select star not there.
No, guys. No.
Only
See this. What is that in the Java? Star means what?
All
All.
package.
all properties.
Everything. All property
columns.
means all those things.
No.
E-name.
HQL query. We are writing the HQL query in the Java, but this is the database query, right? But this is the Java HQL query we are writing. Star means what, guys?
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
If we are
Yeah,
writing
multiplication.
multiplication, then what our Java will treat this query is multiplication. Means what is that? We will get the error now.
Yes.
Got the point?
Yes. So select star not.
Yes, sir.
So okay. So how we can write it now? If we want to write what is that whole total database
Alias.
table in HQL?
Alias.
Yeah.
Alias.
We can use the alias, or we can start the query from onward. Still, it will treat what is that select only. So how we can write that from what is that? com.rk.emp.employee. This one also select query only. HQL select query, guys. Okay. This one also what? SQL select query. Okay, so fine. Or you can write like this. Or you can write like this. Okay. How we can select what is that? Alias name. Okay. From what is that? com dot rk dot emp dot employee, right? And after then alias name. Okay, we can use what is that? Alias name. Okay, so like this one also will select what is that? Total record from what? Database, right? Total record from database. Okay guys, so fine now guys. Okay, so using what is that? I want what is that in the database. Just think about that. Okay, let's write it only. Okay, let's write it only. One table. Well, 1 minute. I will think about that. How I will represent the things. Till now, you people are getting the point, guys. Whatever explanation I'm giving now,
Yeah, I am
Yes.
getting it.
Yes, sir.
this thing
We
is
got
clear,
it.
right?
Yes, sir.
You people are feeling bored. It's a good concept. We are learning the good concept. Feeling bored, a good
Yeah,
No,
concept.
no,
good
this is
concept.
good. No, good concept. Good concept.
Good.
Yeah, this is the
Because
last,
that is a data independent.
Yeah.
last query.
See,
Last query only for me.
before entering the subject, I'm giving the clear picture, guys, how we will write the SQL query, what is the SQL query now. Okay, so okay,
Yes.
so fine now, guys. So let's move on. Okay, so I want what is that? To select what? Select. Just think about that in the database, right? I want to select what is the EID and a client. Oh no, I will open this tab, right? EMP tab. Okay, I want EID and ename. I don't want to select eCell. So for that, what is the query now, guys? So for that, what is the query now? Select SQL query. This is the SQL query. Select EMP. What is that in the database? What is there? EID is there, right? Okay, good. EID.
EID
EID.
ename.
E comma ename, right? Ename.
Ename.
From what is that?
EMP.
Okay,
From EMP table.
let's write okay, I'm writing direct SQL query only. Okay, guys, select what is that? Select
Employee ID.
EMP ID is there, right? And what is that?
EMP ID,
EMP name.
EMP name.
EMP name
Yes.
from what is that?
name,
From com dot rk
Employee.
com.rk. Employee.
EMP dot what is that?
rk.emp.employee.
Employee, right?
RK dot. Yes.
This is the valid. This is the what? Valid, right? After then, if we write like this, okay, if we write like this, what is that? Select EMP ID, and what is that? EMP name from what is that? Employee. If we are writing like this, then also if we are not writing package, right, then still this one is a valid. Why, you know? Because already we are importing this employee class. Okay, before to working the employee in the JP, right, already the package is imported, right? If we are not write like this, okay, if you write like this, then also it's working. If you are not writing in that class, right, like this, if you are writing, still it will work, because already import package is imported, right? So that package, what is that?
Yes.
Functionality will available on that class or not, guys? Come on.
Yes. Available.
Yeah, available.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so fine now, guys. So select operation, right? So select operation. Okay, so now from here onward, guys. Okay, so let's from here onward select operation. Based on that select operation SQL query. Practical, we will move on, guys. We will see that each and everything. I will not escape anything. Okay, we will see the things. Okay, so but before we will understand what is that all permutation and combination now. Okay, all permutation and what? Combination now. Okay, so next one is what now, guys? Next one is what? How many select query, right? Select query. How many way we can perform it now, guys? So okay, so I'm taking what is that? See this, what is that? Select all column, right? All columns in the data, right? In data. So, okay, this, if we select all, what kind of data will come? Come guys, list, right? List, right? Okay, don't worry. Still, if not clear, I will give the image, then we can see it. Okay. Now B, I'm taking what? B now. Okay, so see this, what is that? Select, if we are selecting one column data, right? One column data, then still which kind of data type we will take? List, right? List. Okay, list and a data type. Okay, which kind of data? String, double, float, those data type. Okay, now C. Okay, C type, what is that? Select, what is that? Select multiple, right? What is that? Multiple, what is that? Multiple, not all guys. Okay, not all column, not all column data, then what is that? List of what? Object array will return, right? List of what? Object array will return. Okay, so fine now guys. So okay, don't worry, I will give the image. I know that like this you people are not understanding, but don't worry, it's my challenge. After ending this, what is the session, you will get clear picture about what is that SQL now guys. Okay, so just what is that? Just think about select operation. We are performing what is that? Select